When those butterfly doors swing upward, you are looking at a machine designed to operate at the absolute limits of physics. Behind the driver sits a hybrid powertrain capable of generating 950 horsepower. The centerpiece is this 6.3-liter V12 engine, featuring massive red intake manifolds and complex raw metal exhaust headers. All that torque is managed by a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, engineered to handle the immediate power delivery of the hybrid system. Every component is optimized for the track, from the staggered 19 and 20-inch wheels to the oversized carbon fiber paddle shifters. On paper, these specifications represent the most advanced street-legal racing technology Ferrari has ever released. Despite that 950 horsepower output, this specific car is mechanically incapable of exceeding 25 miles per hour. It also lacks a vehicle identification number. Without a VIN, it is legally invisible to the DMV and strictly prohibited from ever touching a public road. This raises a question. Why would Ferrari build a multi-million-dollar hybrid hypercar that can be outrun by a bicycle? The electronic speed governor is a deliberate engineering choice, installed to keep the vehicle within the parameters of its specific intended environment. To understand why the 25-mile-per-hour limit exists, you have to look past the badge and examine how these cars are actually born. This is a prototype Mule, a specialized testbed built to gather data during the earliest phases of development. The exterior is a patchwork of unfinished surfaces. Those matte black sections aren't a design choice. They are unpainted, raw body panels. Large white vinyl decals and Pirelli stickers are plastered over the Rosso Corsa red paint, serving as tracking markers for engineers to monitor the car's movements during testing. Inside, the luxury is gone. The driver sits in a raw tub of exposed carbon fiber, surrounded by the unpolished hardware of an R&D lab. Look at the aggressive curves of the bodywork. They differ from the production LaFerrari because these panels were shaped specifically to test pre-production aerodynamics. In this environment, raw data and engineering feedback are more important than the final showroom finish. This vehicle is the third iteration prototype, a specific link in the development chain of the LaFerrari. While finished Ferraris move through a pristine, organized assembly line, this prototype lived a very different life. Its world was restricted to closed private testing facilities like this one. On these hairpins, the 25-mile-per-hour limit allowed engineers to focus on a specific task, refining how the electric motor and the V12 engine work together at low speeds. Most prototype mules are eventually dismantled or crushed once their testing cycle is complete to protect proprietary technology. This car survived, remaining as a physical remnant of a development process that is usually kept behind locked doors in Maranello. The 25-mile-per-hour speed cap isn't a limitation anymore. It preserves the exact state the car was in while it was making history. Sitting in this cabin puts you in the workspace where Ferrari first integrated high-output hybrid systems into their V12 platform. You can still see the wear on the drive mode dials and the tactile launch control button set into the rough carbon fiber. Because its siblings were likely destroyed years ago, this is a one-of-one artifact. This car functions as a physical archive, preserving the specific engineering decisions that eventually created the production LaFerrari. Normally, prototypes of this significance are held in manufacturer vaults, far away from the public. However, this third iteration prototype is currently available for public ownership. The auction is live now on SPX Cars, a worldwide platform for the rarest vehicles on Earth. You can find the link in the description to see the full details and the current bidding for this piece of history. It may only travel 25 miles per hour, but it's one of the few cars in existence showing exactly how a legend is built.